chocolate, roses, and champagne. Is that how you celebrated Valentine's Day? Well, today I'm going to bring you into the kitchen with me and some friends to show you how I celebrate Valentine's Day. We're going to be making a delicious chicken and blackberry pizza. I know it sounds weird, but stay with me here. Some Greek salad, and we're going to finish it off with some conversation heart sugar cookies. You don't want to miss this. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the blackberry chicken pizza. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to either find a really awesome dough recipe online, or you can go to your nearest supermarket. I went to Publix. I know it's kind of regional, but they have them for $2.79 right now, and you cannot beat that deal. So go and get you pizza dough if you need it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to lightly flour the area, get you a pan if you want to work with, or a pizza stone, and sprinkle it around, sprinkle it around. Then me, being Miss Cheap, I don't actually have a rolling pin. I have a nice jar of balsamic, and I'm going to use that as my rolling pin. Yay for cheapos! So as you can see, you just want to roll it out until you get that nice circular pizza shape. And if you want thin crust, make it as thin as you would like it to be. If you want thick crust, leave it thick. It's all up to you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take one sweet onion and chop it. Now you're going to saute that onion you just chopped up. So you're going to use a little bit of olive oil in your pan. Put it on like a medium setting. Then you always want to use the back side of your knife when you're scooping your veggies. And that's enough for what we're trying to do here, making this pizza. After you sauteed your onions for about 20 minutes, you want to add a teaspoon of brown sugar. Then you can sprinkle it out like this. That's it. Okay, now we're going to put the olive oil on top of our pizza crust. Then we're going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic on top of that. It's nice if you have a basting brush to really just spread it around. Then we're going to use our basting brush again to just spread garlic. Luckily, hopefully we won't be kissing anybody after all this, but it sure will taste good. So after about 20 minutes, you'll see that the onions are nice and caramelized, and they're perfect for your pizza. Once again, you want to use your basting brush and just spread it all around. Yep, I like how that looks. It looks pretty good. You can take a few of these and put them on here. You're going to make mistakes. That's what the kitchen is for. It's for learning and experimenting. It's all fun. Now we're going to put the chicken that you've already cooked and chopped on your pizza. Again, remember to use the non-sharp edge of your knife to put stuff on your pizza. your fingers to just spread things out however you see that you need it. And voila, doesn't this look delicious? It's about to get even more delicious. We're gonna add cheese. Now we're going to add some blackberries. This is gonna make this nice and sweet. Before you put them on your pizza, you better wash them. We don't want to get sick around here. Now that we have these nice and clean blackberries, we're ready to garnish our pizza. This is going to be so yummy, guys. See how beautiful it's starting to look? So the last thing we're going to do is top this pizza with some ooey gooey mozzarella cheese, just 8 ounces. And spread it on. It's going to be nice and cheesy. Who doesn't love cheese? Well, there's a few people, my husband being one of them. But, you know, all of us awesome people. Maybe I shouldn't say that, my husband's pretty awesome. Well, what can I say? I just love cheese, okay? Now you're going to put this in the oven for exactly 30 minutes. Now that it's been 30 minutes, we're ready to take this pizza out. Looking pretty good. And don't worry if you have any of these air pockets, they will go down. So now that my friends have arrived, it's time to enjoy this wonderful meal. Let's cheers, girls. Yay! To good times and good friends.